Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to color in Medibang paint. First, let's get familiar with the essential tools. You'll primarily use the pen, brush, and fill tools for applying color. The color palette allows you to choose from millions of hues, and you can save your favorites. Remember to create new layers for your line art and colors. This keeps your artwork organized and makes edits much easier. We'll cover these steps in detail to help you achieve vibrant results. Now let's dive into the core tools. The pen tool offers crisp lines, while the brush tool provides softer, more textured strokes, often with adjustable opacity from 0 to 100%. For filling large, enclosed areas, the fill tool is incredibly efficient. Just one click can cover an entire shape. Don't forget the eyedropper tool, which lets you pick up any color already on your canvas, ensuring perfect color matching throughout your piece. These tools are your foundation. To elevate your coloring, consider advanced techniques. Clipping masks are fantastic for keeping your colors neatly within your line art, preventing spills. You can apply a clipping mask to a layer, and it will only show where the layer below it has pixels. Blending modes, like multiply or overlay, can dramatically alter how colors interact, offering hundreds of creative possibilities. Grouping related layers into folders also maintains a clean workspace, especially for complex illustrations with dozens of layers. Finally, let's refine your colors and add those crucial finishing touches. Use adjustment layers to fine-tune color balance, saturation, and brightness without permanently altering your base colors. Adding highlights and shadows is essential for giving your artwork depth and making objects appear three-dimensional. Consider light sources and how they interact with your subject. Take a step back and review your entire piece for color harmony and consistency before calling it complete. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.